Hi, I'm Matt from Penn Windows and Doors in Allentown. Removing your window screens can be tricky, so let me show you how. So if you want to take your full screen out, what you're going to want to do is unlock your window, bring the sash up a couple inches, tilt it in, and then bring it out of the brake shoes. Same with the top sash, slide it down, tilt it in, and then bring it out of the brake shoes. Then on the full screen, you're going to have tabs all around the window that you're going to need to pull out. And then you're going to push the full screen out and then bring it on in. And that's how you take a full screen out. So if you decide you want to take out your half screen, first thing you're going to want to do is bring the bottom sash up a couple inches, unlock the half screen, and then bring the first sash down, and then the top sash you're going to slide down, have a couple inches gap again, tilt that in as well, and set it right on the other glass. Now you can slide your half screen up that it's unlocked. It is spring loaded, so you're going to want to unlock one side and then push to the spring side, popping it out, and then bring it in. For the removal of a full casement screen, you're going to want to pull these tabs out all the way around the screen, and then you're going to have to pull it up and out to get over top of the casement crank. And it's as easy as that.